So I showed this feature to my applicants during our MBE workshop last week, and they absolutely loved it. So I want to show you how you can use Chatgpt. And I know that there's conflicting feelings about using AI in regards to the practice of law or studying for the bar, but I'm finding this to be very helpful. And the goal is to extract data as to where you're consistently getting questions wrong on the multiple choice. So what I've done here, and a lot of my applicants have not used chat, so this plus sign, if you click it, you'll see it says add photos and files. So from my computer, I added a report of 10 questions from an applicant on a set that they did on contracts. And now I'm going to dictate to chat the following command. Please create a study guide pursuant to the attached document of the questions that the student got wrong, why the questions were wrong, the law that is needed to be reviewed, with some examples. Please keep the assessment short and not too lengthy, but clear enough that the applicant knows where to focus to improve. And you can also type that in instead of dictate it. So there's my prompt. Just give it a second. It's going to take a moment to create. And look at that. Right away, it tells you exactly the question that was wrong. Now, you want to make sure that the numbers line up. I have found a little bit of discrepancy there. So make sure that, that it is giving you the right numbers of the questions. But this is a breakdown of each question, why it was wrong, and then an example of the law so you can understand it better and then apply it better to other questions in these areas. And then it's going to ask you if you want to convert it into a Word or PDF version. I think that's a great idea to have a little kind of checklist. So I'm going to give it another command. Sorry. Wrong button. Please create a very short checklist of law with some brief examples of the areas of law that the applicant needs to review. And then I just put it into the queue. And here is an entire checklist that you can put into your outline. You can copy and paste this. You can ask it to create a Word document and then email that to yourself. And now you have the law that you're getting wrong, which will give you clarity on how to get the questions right. Let me know if you're going to use this. If you're not into it for studying for the exam, I totally understand. But in a flash of a few seconds, you get a lot of assessment. Very helpful. Good luck.